Breaker's in with a little bit of a service loop. And of course it's off. You always want to put a breaker when it's off. And that fit right in. So that was good. So just want to tidy up some of these wires, not too much, because it's an organized mess. It's not even not messy. It's just it's organized. But everything's wired, everything's secured, everything's done except for my fire caulk, and I'm not going to do that yet. I got the service loop up there. I got my clamp tightened, but not over tightened. I've got a lot of insulation I left on there purposely because I was looking at what these guys did. So that's not too far out of whack, I don't think. And I tried to neaten up my ground and my neutral, and I left a little service loop in my neutral, left a little service loop in my hot. So it's in, it's wired. It's not turned on, of course. There's no power going to it, to the home run in the bathroom. But she's done, and I'm going to systematically open the breakers. I want to open several. I'm not going to open all of them at once. You just want to kind of take your time and re-energize the system. So that's what I'm going to do. And when I hit the one for the garage, I'm going to get the vacuum in here and vacuum up this box. I don't know about taking the compressed air to it. I'm going to see what the vacuum does too first. And if the vacuum does a sufficient enough job, I'm not going to take compressed air, because compressed air might blow, stuff all over and might cause a problem that I don't even, would be a nightmare to troubleshoot. All right, so it's in, and now we're just going to clean up. All right, so stay tuned, and of course, as always, more to come.